Welcome back to the Python series. In this video, we are going to discuss about dictionaries. What is a dictionary? A dictionary is a set of key value pair which is unordered and mutable. Here, key should be unique and immutable, whereas value can be mutable. So we can use tuple, string or numbers as keys which are immutable. And here the values can be same for two different keys, like as in your regular dictionary. List cannot be used as a key as it is mutable. Dictionary can be created by placing key value pairs inside flower brackets. So let's create a dictionary. This can be done in two ways. One is directly by placing the key value pairs inside flower brackets, or else by using a dict constructor. And the operations of a dictionary are same as that of in list, where we use key instead of index. So let's create a new Python file. Dict. I have just copied the example, so let's paste it. So let's run this. Here we can see by using the key values we can find the values. By using key we can find the values in this way. Dictionary also has the concept of nested dictionary, that is dictionary inside another dictionary. So let's see this. Here we have created a nested dictionary. So let's access the elements. So let's run this. Here we got an error. This is because we have to separate each and every dictionary by placing a comma. So let's run this. Here we can see we got the owner name of house 1. So let's run this. Here we see we got the owner name of house 2. In this way we can just access the elements same as that of in nested list in this nested dictionary. Here we have just created a dictionary with the name as. Inside dictionary we have 3 more dictionaries with name house 1, house 2 and then house 3. In this we have the key and value pairs. For house 1, key and value pairs are owner and Dev, and then members and 4. So in this way we have created a nested dictionary. So let's discuss about the dictionary functions. So let's discuss about the first function, get. Get will give the value at particular key. So first let's make this into comments. We will discuss about comments in the coming lectures. So let's run this. Here we can see that we got Python, which is at the third key value. The main reason for using get is that it will give none if the key value is not found. So let's say 100. So let's run this. Here you can see that it returned none, but in this case it will raise an error. So let's run this. Here we can see we got an error. So let's discuss about some other functions. Item. Items. This will give the items, that is key value pairs in a dictionary in this way. In the same way, keys will give the keys of a dictionary. Values also will give the values of the dictionary. So let's see both of them. So here we can see it gave the keys and values gave the values of a dictionary. We also have pop function. Pop will remove the value or particular key. So let's see. Pop of 3. So let's run this. Here you can see 3 is removed. So let's print T. Here we can see there is no key value pair 3 here, and then pop item is also there, which will remove the last inserted one. We can also convert two different lists into a dictionary. So first let's clear this. So let's create two different lists. Key k equals to. So let's create a list. This is one list, and then let's create another list. So here we have created two lists. So let's assume that Adam, Dave, Jack, these are all the keys and then the values. So let's join them and convert them into a dictionary. To join two lists, we have a built-in function zip. So let's see. Let's create a wish list. So wish list consists of the keys and their favorite programming languages. Zip K, V, and then this have to be converted into a dictionary. So we have to place dict. So let's print the dictionary. So let's run this. Here we can see our both different lists are converted into a dictionary. We can also access the elements in the general way. So let's see. This list of, we can give Adam. So let's run this. As Adam has two values, so we got 2. We can also get a particular one. As again, C, C++, all of these are a particular list. In this list we have C at index value 0, C++ at index value 1. So if we give 1, it should return C++. So let's run this. Here we got C++. So let's take another one. Let's take Jack. In this case, it should return Java. So in this way, we can just convert two lists into a dictionary.